Hey guys, welcome back to the radio shop. Just a quick update video on what's going on, where we at, what we're doing, and what we're going to be doing. So I want to do some audio enhancing on the channel. I've picked up a couple of new external microphones. This is a AT2020 Audio Technica, and we're going to be running that through a Yamaha soundboard and then into the camera, and hopefully that'll make the audio sound a little bit better. We'll just have to see how that goes, playing around with it. But anyway, channel's up to 15,555 subscribers. I want to thank all of y'all for tuning in and watching me mess around here in the shop. Things have been real busy. I can't stress how busy things has been, but it's been kind of hard to get videos out. You know, the channel showing it, everything on the page I see is in the down. Subscriber count's up, but you know, view time, stuff like that is down. But we're going to be getting back into it pretty soon. I got some things that I'm working on. I'm not taking nothing in for a while now. We'll just see how long that goes. I want to get stuff in the shop finished up and get out of here so we can spend more time when we come in the shop making videos. You know, when you got stuff in here that needs to be worked on that belongs to people, you seem to come in and work on that and not make videos. Now, one thing that we did do was we went and subscribed over at LibraryTV, and we have all our videos uploaded over there. And the reason I did this is because you know, Jordan Pierce's channel got taken down not long ago, but surprisingly it came back up very quick. I think the YouTube community jumped in on that and did a lot of emailing, and next thing you know, he's back online. But you know, just in case something was to happen, I do have all my videos on another platform now. The link will be in the show more tab below, so you can just click on that and scroll down and you'll see the link to LibraryTV. At the moment I've got 5 followers on LibraryTV, and I haven't even announced that I had put my videos up there. So I guess people just, you know, randomly ran across it and found it and hit follow. So yeah, the link down below, if you like to go over there and click on that, and that's where if anything ever happens to YouTube, you'll be able to still find my videos on another platform. So, you know, in between work and working on other stuff, I've been working on the AM transmitter build a little bit. You know, surprisingly, I do not have a lot of time in this. Probably 3.5 hours. It's under 4 hours for what I've done, and I've made a video on each step that's been done. You know, the power supply, the mic preamp, and I've started on the transmitter, and I don't have you know, a lot of the stuff like the mic jack installed, any meters, antenna connectors, the relay and stuff, and the 12 volt supply has not been built and installed yet. But I just want to give you a quick peek that I am working on this. Like I say, I've already made, there's 3 videos out there in the queue right now that's got to be edited and uploaded, and I'm going to just try to upload them one at a time. You know, we're not going to upload them all at one time. It'll give you time to look at the video, digest what was done, why it was done that way, and hope you'll be able to follow through with it. But as you can see, mic preamps installed. There's the 2 transmitter tubes, our homemade coil, which is very long as you can see, and it's already tapped for 40 meters, 80 meters, and 160 meters. So got to go from there, you know, got to get the band switches installed. Be 2 wafers in the band switch, one for tap, you know, for the coil to select the bands, one for the crystal, and there'll also be an external setting so you can plug in either another crystal or a VFO or something. So you know, that jack will be out the back of the unit. But yeah, it's coming along. We haven't stopped working on it. You know, we're just getting it a little bit at a time. As you can see, the mic preamp is done, the power supply is done. Yes, we went with solid state, and in the videos we show and we test why we did it this way. Tube is nice. I love tubes. I love them to death, but in this particular case, with what I wanted to do, solid state was the way to go. So, you know, stay tuned. Will be a lot coming in on this here in the near future. Still got the Hamlin HQ 140X to finish up. I've got the IF section all straightened out now, with no more problems with that. That is done, and we got to go through it and mostly do an alignment to it, and this radio will just about be ready to be put on the air. A lot of time into that IF section. That takes quite a bit of time to get that, you know, done and taken care of. Over on the Patreon channel, we are working on this Helicrafters SR400, and I got some more video footage done on that. And one of the main problems is this operation switch down here that selects off, receive, marks, and box has been replaced, and another switch added, and come to find out the switch is wrong. So like I'm in the market for trying to find either a switch for SR400 or another parts rig to use as a donor radio. We'll be looking around for that here shortly. And by the way, Patreon we had 99 followers on Patreon, so I want to thank you guys for standing behind the radio shop and supporting me and giving me the opportunity to be able to make these videos and you know, keep the shop going. It's been a real big help. My Patreon followers are just wonderful guys. You know, don't get me wrong, you guys on YouTube are wonderful too. Y'all help out quite a lot, you know, and you know, I just appreciate all of that. And we're still working on the SB36. Luckily now I got 2 more rigs that I am taking parts out of and putting in this one and swapping the parts back and forth in it to try to get this thing working like it's supposed to. There was some problems in some of the IF in it, and it's been a long stretch on trying to get this thing working right. But you know, it's one of the problems with this radio, and also like the Helicrafters here, it's hard to find 2 that's made just alike, and none of the schematics I have match this radio 100%. So I'm still looking around here and there to find more of my schematics to use on this. And back in the storeroom, as you can see, there's lots and lots of more other stuff to be gone through and worked on, and it's quite a bit. There's a big bright light up there that's kind of washing out the camera, but you can see that's a big industrial JVC video camera up there. We'll break that out one day and take a look at it, see if we can get that working. But lots of stuff in here to get to and get working on. So you know, when you got so many projects going on and stuff, it's just almost impossible to keep the shop clean. There's just so much stuff sitting around and going through, and you know, I really want to get over there on that bench and really start doing some work and repair to old vintage equipment over there on the the old time workbench with all the what we call antique service equipment. Now Bill, you know, old goat 64, had ordered a Chinese signal generator and was talking about the output of it, you know, and he's also talking about the output of the O2 type generators, you know, like there's a 315 there, and up here's a Cloud Bringle, and which has a very nice output. And then there's another ICO 324 up there, you know, and I've got a 9 sitting over there. Well, he's talking about the output is not that clean, and it's got harmonics. Well, you know, guys, that's what these things are designed for. They're not lab grade signal generators. So I'm going to do a video here in the near future showing the output and comparing it to some more higher grade signal generators, so you can see the difference and show you why it doesn't matter how, you know, much harmonic distortion is in these. There's a reason why it doesn't matter, but we'll show that in the video. Well, anyway, guys, you know, like I said, work has been very, very demanding, and I think we've had a week and a half now of 100-degree weather, and it has just been really, really hot here. I actually end up working through shutdown this year. First time I've done that in about 4 or 5 years, but sometimes it's what we have to do. You know, when work's demanding, you got to go. And you know, I got to be thankful that I have a job where work is demanding, with the way the world is today. Lots and lots and lots of people don't have a job. My wife is one of them. You know, she got laid off way back up in May, and it's just almost impossible to go out and find a job with so many people shutting down and cut back and, you know, laying off. So we've been real fortunate, so I can't complain about that. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and we'll get some more videos up here real soon. And everyone, please be safe. It's crazy out there. Take care now.